YouTube was good with you, feel me? That's crazy. Every time I fucking do this shit, I always clap when it started off.
What is that?
But feel me? I'm telling you, B. I'm telling you, B. So now, feel me? It's your boy Jay Grinch, man. We got Team Money for me over here and shit. By the time we got him up in here, when we about to do this video for the first showcase thing, first cipher on video cipher that I'm about to do for the town and shit. Well, you don't gotta be for the town. From you can be from Ewing, Hamilton, West Bummerfuck, for all I care, as long as you're killing the beat and the going ham. I mean, but I'm about to spit to that Young Money freestyle instrumental that a little twist went off of on the roof and shit, bright lights and shit. Feel me? Shout out to Link Quay, where you ran. That's the team, that's the clique. If you don't like it, suck a dick. Feel me? I'm about to go in. Check me out. Look. Elevator time. Let's go up. Ready to go up?
Going up.
I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm tutting. I'm tutting. You tutting. I'm on a whole nother level. Wrist holding the bezel. My rebels will leave you open like a pitchfork in a shovel. I'm a king at this rap shit, cause my name is the caption. If your dame with some action, I give her pain and some passion. Is where you rain and relaxing. Bo Grizzy for prayers. I ain't chasing the money, I'm probably chilling with Dez. Dez is chilling with T. T is chilling with Mun. No matter what I am doing, you know I'm having some fun. So HMU me with the plans. You know I got the bottles, it's a rock, and I can see that you just argue with your man. Come fuck with the clan. I mean that shit so literal. My verses should be biblical. I see you looking pitiful. Why the long faces? Every step you moving, I reverse it 30 paces. Go we learn the basics. The team is getting money, you can see it, even taste it. Click full of stallions and I shoot to start the races. Yeah, I'm going in like a curfew. Rosie out the red, but I'm leaning out the purple. Yeah, I'm on my Urkel. Did I do that? I fucked the brains out your mom. Where her IQ at? I got the game with my cycle at. Then I'm rolling on this clip with my cycle at. Yeah, I'm on the pass to shit the Big Reese. I'm doing the pass to shit the Big Reese. Yeah, I got the clip, I got a big piece. I switch you up, you look like Swiss cheese. Probably fucking welfare government cheese. Now you can government these. Pledge allegiance to my flag. And you know I'm fucking with your mom, so you can leave it with a dad. You can leave it with a cab. I'ma fuck the bitch around, I'ma leave it with a pad. Fuck the Mr. Cycle. And I do this shit like you can fucking Michael Tyson. Phone ringing on the beat, who the fuck is this? Pass it a Big Reese, kiss my grandma, man, who is it? I do the fucking dishes. Feel me? I just be going there freestyling shit,
Already
but
know.
From his Link Quay, where you run, MC Cypher, the town Cypher, hit me up. Pass the shit to Big Reese, kill us, my nigga, feel me?
Big Reese about to kill it.
Real this life.